Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw Ari Token. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up your Ari wallet, and then here on the home page you can of course toggle this one on to see the amount, and of course to transfer you can click on receive, right? You can receive on this wallet address or this QR code, and if you want to just send, okay, to this one, or you want to withdraw, click on send, and then just paste your wallet address for the other wallet. Of course, you can scan your QR or use the contact, and then you can just enter the amount you would like to send, or you can do a percentage, say 10%, 25, 50, or 100%. You can enter a memo if you want. Just enter your password, and then go ahead and tap on next. Literally, that is all you have to do. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.